Are you ready to turn your passion for nonfiction into a captivating picture book? Join me, Kirsten W. Larson, for Crafting Your Nonfiction Picture Book, a step by step beginner's course. In just 1 month, you'll learn the essential skills to research, structure, and bring your nonfiction story to life. With my step by step lessons and hands on activities, you'll transform your spark of an idea into a solid draft. This comprehensive self paced course includes 20 daily written lessons, exclusive writer's workshop videos that model each step, and a 42-page course workbook to guide you through the process. Here's what students are saying. Kirsten seamlessly weaves the creative and the pragmatic aspects of crafting a nonfiction picture book and sets you up for success with the yet to come revision process. This course is a true game changer in my writing life. As a mostly fictional author delving into the world of nonfiction picture books, I couldn't ask for a better guide than Kirsten. The course is packed full of info and examples. It's a course I'll gladly revisit time and time again. Whether you're a seasoned fiction picture book writer making the leap into nonfiction for the first time, or a writer eager to break into the world of children's publishing, this course will give you the tools and confidence to bring your vision to life. Don't wait to share your story with the world. Join Crafting Your Nonfiction Picture Books today and get your passion onto the page.